Here we have the old packed York heat pump running, and the water has been dripping from the bottom of the unit for reasons unknown, because where the condensation pipe is right over here. But the model number is D3CG036N08206B. Serial number is NNXM164204. Right down here it says York International in York, Pennsylvania. See right up here is the fan. Right there's the fan for you. See it. And like I've always said, this just has some lovely ductwork on it. In fact, this right here is damaged. But yeah, just lovely ductwork right here. Beautiful job. A++. This is an A++ unit install. If you couldn't tell that sarcasm, well, it's sarcasm. So yeah, my battery's running low, so here's the here's the old York heat pump unit at Grissom running. Over and out.